Did you have sweet dreams? What did you dream about? What did you dream about, bunny? Do you wanna go for a walk? Yes. Okay. What is the best day of the week and why is it Sunday? Sunday is my absolute favorite day of the week. It's the one day of the week where I really have some strong routines in place. And no matter what happened last week and no matter what is happening next week, Sunday, I really reset everything, get back into my routine and feel the most grounded. Right now, we're gonna go do my Sunday morning ritual, which is really just mega former Pilates and then a little walk to the farmer's market. If I do nothing else on Sunday of my routine, I at least do this. I will skip going out Saturday night just so that I'm refreshed for Sunday ritual. I will cancel dates so that I can still make it to Sunday ritual. Something about me is I am consistent. So it's 10:42, class is at 11, but we gotta get going. We gotta get going. Boop. We've got a problem. We've got a problem. It's kind of fucking raining right now. We usually walk to the farmer's market. It was raining all day yesterday, but I thought that that was done. We got a little wet, but we did it. Let's go home and be cozy. Of course, right when I get home, the sun comes out. And suddenly it's kind of a beautiful day. My friend Catherine invited me to go hang out in Brentwood, but I forgot that Kaya had a play date scheduled. So now I've just got these two puppies running amok around my apartment. Hi, cuties. Oh, cutie babies. I just got this non-stick and I'm so used to cooking with stainless steel. I'm definitely still getting used to it. Some flaky salt. This is what we need to do today. I am, if you don't know, queen of the notebooks. I would say these are my daily use notebooks. They all have a different purpose. Most of these things are every Sunday. Are you talking to me? Need to wash all of my bedding. Time to vacuum. Have to wash Kaya. Upload this week's YouTube video. The Italy vlog, the Greece vlog, and the Pack With Me video, I all filmed last year. So this is the first YouTube video that I am filming this year. I do journal throughout the week, sporadically. Maybe I'll make casual dinner plans with a friend, or maybe I'll just cook something at home. Did you just sigh at me? Salt on it, I can't give you this. Okay, let's get started. We listen to Bob Marley and we water the plants. This is FKA figs. She is a fiddle leaf fig and she used to have leaves all the way to here. I don't think she likes my current apartment as much as she liked my old apartment. Play Bob Marley.
This is Bob Marley and the Wailers from Spotify.
you know what time it is? Come here, Bubba. You're gonna smell like honeysuckle so soon. Girl, you got the zoomies? Oh. I just took a cozy shower. Every single time I wash Kaya, without fail, I get soaking wet. I'm gonna make some tea. Who's texting us? This is the Sakara Life detox tea. It's rooibos, lemongrass, and rose. Actually, I was looking up, do you guys follow Nara on TikTok? She always makes rooibos tea, and she made rooibos tea butter. I lit some candles and I made it kind of cozy in here, and I think I'm gonna journal right now. So there are a few different ways that I journal. One is gratitude journal. Another way that I'll journal is how did I work towards my goals today? And that's kind of a newer one that I've just been doing this month since I'm trying to really be active with my goal setting. And then the other way I like to do it is by giving myself journal prompts. How are you feeling mid-January? What or who has been a source of inspiration so far this month? What has been giving you energy? And what has been draining your energy? Write down some ways you can find inspiration this upcoming week. Write down some recent discomforts and problems. Lindsay just picked us up. Now we're on the way to In-N-Out, not necessarily the healthy dinner that I mentioned earlier, but okay, so tell me about this Flying Dutchman with the onions.
So the Flying Dutchman is, I believe, 2 patties grilled. It comes without the bread, and it's just the patties, the cheese, and
so
then,
protein style, but no lettuce either.
Yes, and then you can order grilled onions on the top and the bottom, so it comes looking like an onion wrapped sandwich. And then you can add in tomatoes, chopped chilies, pickles. I usually do a double animal style with animal style fries and chopped chilies.
The first time I saw it, I thought it was a cinnamon roll.
It does look like
I was like, oh my god, since when does In-N-Out have cinnamon rolls? I really want that.
Oh yeah, it looks like this.
Hot. I want that.
I can't wait.
And so then I texted them, or not, I messaged them back, or you want to see if I sound like an idiot.
Tomatoes, pickles, and chopped chili, and then animal style fries.
Ooh, thank you. Wow.
You have a great night.
Thank you so much.
Wow. Yay! Okay, can you chew?
This feels like we're at a really classy Italian restaurant.
It's 10:02. At around 10, I do Kaya's last walk of the night. So we just did that. And I try my best to do no movies, no TV after 10. Since the TV is off, I will either read a book or journal or, let's be real, scroll through TikTok until I go to sleep. I just started this book of poems last night. Let me show you. It's by this man named Seamus Heaney. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature. I'll probably read a little bit of this and make my to-do list for tomorrow. That is it for my Sunday reset. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Say goodnight, sweet dreams.